What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. You already know we're back from Hawaii, bro. It's been a good trip, but I'm gonna be honest with you boys, vacation's cool, man, but Hawaii's awesome, bro, but like I honestly rather like work in the morning, work less hours, and then just vibe out in the afternoon. Because bro, when you have the whole day to yourself, it gets kind of boring, bro, low key. Oh my gosh, the street's literally perfect for this. Literally freaking perfect. And you can hear the turbos. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, is there like this church going on? Holy. Dude, I love these freaking streets, bro. It sounds insane. Oh, dude, since I came from vacation, like, I'm telling you, bro, what's so sick about having two cars is that it's such a good balance, bro. Because you get when you get time away from the cars, bro, it's like it feels like I haven't driven this car in a month, bro. It's only been like 7 days. And that 7 days felt like forever, bro. And then plus I got the Hellcat next, you know? So I'm probably gonna drive the Hellcat after this. Dude. Anyways, boys, vacation's cool, man. Hawaii is cool, but I'd say like after 3 days, bro, it's like it gets so boring. Cause I went to like every single beach the first 2 days. There was like a hike I went on that was cool, but it's like you get over it, bro. You know, you get over it pretty quick. No doubt are the beaches there are freaking amazing, but like I said, bro, like couple days is all you need. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Oh, the roar, bro. The roar is amazing. It's crazy, bro. Dude, it's popping loud today. Dude, that's ridiculous, bro. So good to be back. But man, bro, pretty much, bro, vacation's cool, but honestly, bro, driving cars, I enjoy. Dude, driving cars is like going on vacation made me realize how much more I enjoy driving cars than anything else. It's weird, bro. Like it has to be for me, like playing video games, bro. Like I don't know, man, just the love I have for cars is unbelievable. Like look at my channel, bro. The only reason I'm still posting is because I genuinely enjoy driving these cars every day, bro. And every time I drive this car, I'm like uploading them on Insta or making reels. I need to actually upload them. I'm actually like, I don't know, I don't even know what to expect, man. I know I keep talking about the straight piping it. And I'm sure there's gonna be a big difference, but downpipes is for sure the biggest, for sure. I know that, like, if I didn't get downpipes, it wouldn't even compare. I'm just trying to save up so much. I'm just trying to save up so much right now, and I'm trying to invest all of it that I think about buying an exhaust pipe. It's not even that expensive. It's just like I'd rather put that somewhere else for now. You can tell it's like getting rough right now in the economy, bro, especially with like elections coming up, bro. Like dude, I can't wait for elections. I just want elections to be over already, bro, because I feel like with all this elections and uncertainties, the markets are like, everything's just getting weird. like I said, intersections, bro, are something are sketchy, bro. I don't scout it enough. Yes, bro. The way the car switches gears is so unique, bro. I love it. Porsche 911. Yo, that guy's lit. And he's older too, so I got respect for that, bro. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. So long story short, the guy I met that was in the Porsche, I don't know if it's cap or not, but he's actually a billionaire. He's a billionaire, bro. He has a patent for a hydrogen, like something with hydrogen. Like he has some kind of technology he came up with. So I need to review like I made a video of his crypto wallet, 1.5 billion. Dude, if that's real money, I'm actually like, oh my gosh, that's such like that'd be so trippy, dude. But anyways, we don't know until I test it. But he was showing me all the cars he has, bro. Oh my gosh, this guy has a collection, and his crib has a freaking workshop inside. So, and a tennis court, bro. Like, it's unbelievable, honestly. Super chill guy though. He pretty much just like has his own business, and people use his like technology, and he has like he was showing how many shares he has with this one company, and it's each worth, he has over 1 million shares, and each one's worth $20 with this one company that's using his technology. Like, bro, what the heck? So I'm gonna invite him with the homies when we go ride. But dude, if that's all real, that's actually like crazy. That's actually crazy. I need to like really like double check, because there's no way, bro. There's no way I just saw 1.5 bill like in front of my eyes, like in IRL. There's no way. There's just no way. Anyways, I need to finish up the video, dude. We were just chopping up for like literally like almost an hour, like not actually an hour, like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Super chill guy, bro. Super humble. But yeah, he was showing me his houses, and like one of the companies I work at, they make supercars. I'm actually going there tomorrow, and he works with them, and he's about to get a car that does like strictly hydrogen. Like, it's insane. But yeah, he was, I guess he like trades crypto for fun. I guess he just strictly trades Bitcoin, bro. I wonder how much money he turned. Like, I wonder if he bought the bottom of Bitcoin, now he sold it. But yeah, pretty much long story short, bro, he has a patent. Hydrogen's like the next thing up too. Like, everyone's trying to make hydrogen work because it's like economy friendly or something like that. I forgot the whole deal. It's been a while since I did my research, but pretty much, bro, he has a patent on something that's like really rare, and no one can copy it because he has a patent now, bro. Like, that's like so impressive. So anybody that wants to use this technology has to pay him something. That's insane. And and long story short, he offered me a job. With the skills I have, he's like, dude, like that skills you have is like very much it'll be useful for him, because I know how to work. So I'm on weekends, dude. I'm probably just be like helping out. Like, he wants to, like, I don't know what he wants to do, honestly, bro, but he's like offering me all these things. I'm like, dude, there's no way this is like a real thing. I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but it's just so cool. Like, if it is all real, you know. With the car he's driving, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. All right, boys. I don't know how much I recorded. I actually need to check right now. But pretty much gonna finish up the video with a little nighttime POV, you know. Yeah, man, pretty much this guy we met today, dude, we'll see what happens, man. But that's actually pretty cool. Also, I didn't even say he has a CLS 65, bro. It's a V12 AMG. That's so like BA, bro. Like, you show me pictures of it, I'm like, bro, what the heck? Like, That's like such a badass, like such a B8 car to have, like a V12 Mercedes. Like I've almost like never see those, bro. Like so sick. And the one that he has, there's like only 40 ever made too. Like, bro, this is crazy. And then he has like another M5, M6 that was like, there was only 20 made. It was like fully carbon fiber. Bro, I'm like, bro, I was like tripping. Like, what the heck? And then, dude, it's just it's so weird. Like, wait, I never met somebody that's like has some kind of technology in hydrogen. You know, that's like so. Like, I totally forgot about a hydrogen. I forgot that's even like in development. So, dude, pretty cool. This is why you gotta just go out, bro. You gotta be, you know, you just gotta meet everybody, bro. You know, don't have an ego. Don't be. You just never know who you can meet, bro. But if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.